All right, when we multiply whole numbers in the 5th grade, we need to be able to know how to multiply 3-digit factors by 2-digit factors. So the two parts of a multiplication problem are called factors. So we have 723 is one of our factors times 45 is another one of our factors. The answer that we get will be our product. So what we do first is that we multiply the ones place value in our second factor times every digit in our first factor. So you essentially cover up that 4. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11. 5 times 7 is 35, plus 1 is 36. So this 3,615 is not my answer. It's just my partial answer, or partial product, of 723 times 5. Well, now that I've done that, I need to cross out the 5 and put a placeholder. The reason we put this 0 here is because I've already dealt with the ones place value. So this 0 holds the place of this ones, and what I'm about to do is 723 times 4, which is technically 723 times 40. Another reason why I put the 0. So when I cross out this 5, I also want to cross out these so I don't accidentally add them again and do the same thing. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. 4 times 7 is 28. Nothing to add. Notice everything is lined up, and when I add 5, 3, 15, 12, 30. So my answer would be 32,535. Now I'm going to write this to the side. And we are going to do this using the area model. So that way that we just showed was the standard algorithm. That's the basic way that most of us learned how to do it. Another way to do it is the area model. How that works is that you break up each factor by place value. So 700 plus 20 plus 3 would be this factor, and then 45 breaks into 40 and 5. So when I make my area model like this, you don't actually have to put those there. I'm going to find a bunch of my partial products or parts of my answers. Partial product is another name given to the area model. I can erase this now. And I'm going to solve. 7 times 4 is 28 with 1, 2, 3 zeros. 2 times 4 is 8 with 2 zeros. All I'm doing is multiplying. So 700 times 40 goes here. 20 times 40 goes here. 3 times 40 goes here. 700 times 5 goes here. 20 times 5 goes here. 3 times 5 goes here. Well, these are all my partial products, or partial or parts of my whole answer. So now I'm going to add them all together, and that should give me the same answer I got when I used the standard algorithm. So this would be 5, 3, and 1. I'm going to add down first. That way I don't have to line up 6 numbers. I can only line up 3. This would be 900. What I did here was just make sure it's easy to lose your place value, so if you perfectly line them up by drawing a line, you make sure, that you don't mess up anywhere. Okay, so now I have 31500, 900. Okay, and when I add those together, I'm going to get 5, 3, 15, 2, and 3. 32,535 using my area model or partial product. Same answer I got when I did when I used the standard algorithm and got 32,535. So 2 different ways to do the same problem using the area model or the partial product, that's this, and the standard algorithm, which is the original way of doing it.